Welcome to the Ocean Carbon Crisis Activity Training. In this video, you will learn helpful talking points about ocean acidification, how to set up the activity, a full activity demonstration, and tips for engagement and any problems that may arise. Before you begin the activity, give the participant some background on ocean acidification with some help from the freely available poster. Start by explaining that when carbon dioxide dissolves in water, carbonic acid is produced, which acts to lower the pH of the water. Since the Industrial Revolution, there has been a 40% increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide. A consequence of this excess atmospheric carbon dioxide is the increased introduction of carbonic acids into the oceans. This creates an imbalance in important chemical processes like calcification. In this activity, we will be demonstrating how quickly carbon dioxide can change the pH of water. For materials, you'll need paper straws, water, vinegar, a plastic cup, a glass cup, pH testing strips, and a shell. After you have everything together, fill the glass cup with vinegar and put the shell in with the vinegar.
So when a participant comes up to your booth, the first thing you're going to do is give them a plastic cup. Then you're going to put in maybe a ½ inch of water in the bottom of the cup. So maybe right about there. Then what you'll do is you'll take your pH strips and you'll put a strip in the bottom of the cup. And you can kind of, swirl it around. And then you'll compare the pH on the strip with the key here. After you've compared your pH strip and determined that it's about 6 or 7, you can put your pH strip back in the cup. Then you're going to give the participant a straw. Put the straw in the cup and have them blow bubbles into the water for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, you're going to take the pH strip out again and compare it to the key on the pH box. So now compare it to the key again, and now you should see that the pH is somewhere between 4 and 5.
At the end of the activity, point out the shell that is beginning to degrade in the vinegar. Because the acidity of vinegar is around 2 or 3, we can see the consequences of acidification acting in real time. The increasing amount of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by humans is lowering the pH of ocean water, and this has dire consequences for all marine life. Every interaction will be different, so here are a couple of tips. When talking with a younger audience, it may be helpful to give them a basic understanding of acids and bases. Comparing foods can be a good starting point. Lemons have an acidity of around 2, while peas are around 6, which is why lemons are so sour and peas aren't. Sometimes the pH strips may not clearly show a dramatic difference in pH. If this happens, you should try using less water and blowing bubbles for a little longer. If you don't have readily available access to pH strips, cabbage juice is another good indicator of pH change. Thank you for watching, and good luck with the activity.